conversation from the NASSCOM summit that's underway. Kritika caught up with Arvind Thakur, CEO of NIIT Tech, at the India Leadership Forum organized by NASSCOM. She began by asking him about the active cutbacks in spending in this year. Take a look.
I don't think we've seen any active cutbacks. But yes, I think the pace of acceleration will depend upon how some of these policies pan out, particularly in the US. What we're also seeing are some industry-specific issues like in BFSI, more specifically BFS, which have been plagued with many regulatory plus attack from new digital incumbents, which are impacting the business models. So there are industry-specific issues and client-specific issues. But overall, for the industry per se, I think what we are most concerned about is the geopolitical uncertainty and the policies associated with that.
The question I have asked everyone, and I'm getting varied answers from everyone, will 2017 be a better year than 2016? The sense seems to be that 2017, at least from the initial signs, could be slightly better, given that at least some of the shift is getting completed towards digital.
Absolutely right. I think the industry is in transition and it's moving more and more of its business around digital technologies and digital solutions. Even this year's industry report, you would have seen that digital revenues have grown 4 times.
Yeah.
They've scaled 4 times more than last year. So there's a big uptick in digital. And I think that momentum will continue to deliver a better 2017.
Fair enough. As far as NIIT specific moves are concerned, there's been a lot of talk about buyback in the IT industry, given the fact that the IT industry has been on a growth curve, and with the growth momentum perhaps flattening out a bit, investors seem to want the returns. As far as capital returns to shareholders is concerned, as far as cash utilization is concerned, what is the plan from an NIIT perspective?
I think that's a fair expectation. Companies in the industry and even NIIT Technologies now have a fair cash reserve. But we need to be prudent in terms of how we utilize that cash. As I mentioned earlier, we are looking at transforming the organization and moving more towards digital.